Good afternoon, Camille here from Chenard's. Might be wondering, bee season is coming up here. What do we do with all of our old frames? Some frames can't be salvaged. Some frames can be used year after year. So if you've got a couple frames that just look awful, you definitely can reuse them as long as they've got a good foundation. There are some frames that don't have a good foundation. They've got a real wax foundation and it's very brittle. It breaks pretty easily. Those frames you can't really scrape and you're just gonna have to toss those and start over again or re-wax them. These nice plastic frames, however, you can scrape them and reuse them in your hive. So this one actually looks pretty decent on this side. We're actually gonna keep this one. The bees will clean this up and reuse it. This side, on the other hand, it just looks terrible. They're not going to be able to reuse this. It's got all sorts of nasty things in it. And we actually had a mouse get into the hive here too. So they're not really going to be able to do much with this mess. So all you have to do is, on a warm day like today, the wax is going to be a little bit softer. Take your hive tool and scrape it off. I definitely recommend wearing disposable gloves for this, or your bee gloves, because it's a very messy task. You've got pollen, you've got little bits of wax, you've got all sorts of nonsense that's coming out of here. And you're going to have some residue left over at the bottom of the frame. This isn't a huge concern. The bees are going to clean it up and redraw the wax. It's not always easy. Sometimes you really have to work at it. This frame was kind of medium. There are some frames that are a lot easier to scrape, particularly if it's newer wax. This wax was drawn last year. It's very dry and brittle, and it just comes right off. This stuff is just the beginning. They were kind of starting to draw this, but they never really finished. You can leave that alone and they'll continue to draw on top of it. This is a frame where I was saying that has a real wax foundation. You can kind of see where it was wired in here. I think it's cross-wired as well. So you've got kind of a grid pattern, and it's going to be really difficult, if not impossible, to scrape because of that. It's doable, you can scrape it, but it's just really easy to go straight through it. So I would just toss this frame. All right, it's as easy as that. We've got lots of new frames for this year's beekeeping year. Have a good afternoon, and we'll see you next time.